I'm here at a post-tension home, residential, and what I'm out here for is this tile is expanding. Because of the temperature changes twice a year, I call it Voodoo. I have several videos. Look for the videos that say Voodoo on them in the titles and whatever. And there's a lot of homeowners that are having this happen a couple times a year. And what it is the elongation of tile. When you have these temperature changes and this tile warms up, it's going to expand. And because it's rigid material, grout lines and tile is rigid, and it goes right up against the wall with grout, and there's no room to move. So we have the wall over here, we have this kitchen island over here, and it's buckling in the middle across this direction. So this whole area is elongating and rising up. So what do you do? Well, one method is lowering the temperature, and this is the first one that we really tried it on, is lowering this temperature. It's not because of expansive soil, you got a bunch of water underneath your floor. That's not it at all, folks. Be careful on this situation. It's pretty simple. It's very practical repairs. But it is a phenomenon that doesn't happen all the time, that's for sure. So wherever you'll come back past the affected area and to where the tile is stable, and then just remove these two sections here and clean up this grout joint along the edge here. And when you put these back down, use not grout, but use caulking. Acrylic water-based caulking works really well. That matches this color. It may look a little bit different, but if you use caulking here on both sides here and in between this location, that location, and in between here, that's likely going to take care of all of this situation the next time it happens. New builds. If you leave a gap around the perimeters so this expansion can take place for rigid material tile, I think that's going to be a great improvement for building a new home. That would be a good addition to do. We do it on wood floors already. We leave the gaps because we know wood floors are going to expand. Well, the same thing happens with concrete. If you lived in Arizona long enough, you've seen sidewalks that look like a teepee. They're coming up. Same principle. They elongate. This tile is going to elongate. And the tile is only, 3/8 of an inch, half an inch thick. And then they heat up, expand, and come off the floor like this. My name's James Belleville. You can call me 602-418-2970. Be sure to watch our videos at Concrete Repairman LLC on YouTube and look for the Voodoo videos for this subject matter. Thanks for watching and have a great day.